My name is Biagio and I'm the program director of the new MSc course on high performance and scientific computing. This is a course that should fulfill and will fulfill a need that is now in the modern market to recruit a skilled workforce for high performance computing, and this will apply both to academia as well as to industry. The course is taught for the modern curriculum. It will guide the student with examples and with more traditional taught classes, but most of the emphasis will be on the examples, to acquiring knowledge on high performance computing. We have various components. One of them is pretty much technical and has to do with high performance computing in general. So you will be taught what is an high performance computing architecture and how to use it. The other section has to do with techniques, and in techniques we have pretty much mathematical topics like differential equations, as well as more physics applications like Monte Carlo, which can be used also in finance. And finally, we have the application side, where real scientific and computational problems will be dealt with using high-performance computing techniques. We have devised 4 routes, which are by no means predictive, but just as a guidance. The first route is in computer science and is more for students who want to specialize on the technical stuff. The other route is in physics, and this is meant for scientists with a physics background that want to specialize on the meaning of HPC computing and the techniques for physics. And likewise, we have a geography route and we have a bioscience. So what can you do when you graduate from this course? Well, there are various branches of sciences that use high-performance computing if you are academically inclined, and this will be dealt with in the context of the course. But this is by no means exclusive, because you can use high-performance computing in industry, for instance in game industry, or in oil extraction industry, as well as in finance, in weather forecasting, and in aerospace engineering. Swansea has a strong HPC agenda. High-performance computing has been recognized as one of the priorities of the university. There are big investments being put behind the HPC effort of this course. This is backed up by a legacy of high-performance computing research that we are performing in various departments in this university. For instance, in physics, we host one of the first supercomputing machines in Wales, and also in other departments like in geography and in computer science. High-performance computing is one of the first research priorities. From the point of view of industry, there is a wide effort being backed up also by the government through the e-infrastructure initiative, which is putting a lot of money in HPC, and it is also favoring the development of HPC-related jobs and HPC-related courses. In Wales, we have High-Performance Computing Wales, which is an assembly-funded and EU-funded initiative whose objective is to spread the techniques and the paradigms used in high-performance computing. This is done in various ways. First of all, giving the necessary instruments to perform high-performance computations. So high-performance computing Wales has state-of-the-art facilities that will be accessed through the course. High-performance computing Wales also offers studentships and also offers mentoring.